Hey there, federal employees. It's John Sanders with the Benefit Coordinators. And today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your financial well-being. It's actually personal debt reduction. Whether you're close to retirement or just starting your federal career, managing and reducing debt can significantly impact your financial future. So let's explore the best methods to reduce your personal debt and set forth a path to your financial freedom. Okay? So what does debt reduction and why is debt reduction mattering so much? Well, it's not just about freeing up cash, it's about securing your financial future. You see, lowering your debt to income ratio enhances your financial stability, it reduces stress, it improves your credit score, it can also lower your insurance rates at all. I bet you didn't know that one. And for federal employees like you, reducing debt is key to maximizing the benefits that you've worked so hard to earn. So let's get started with step 1. Understanding your debt. This is the foundation of any effective debt reduction plan. Gathering all your financial statements, credit cards, student loans, personal loans, you name it, put it out there. Let's list them out with their interest rates, the minimum monthly payments, and the total amounts owed. Here's a pro tip. Prioritize your high interest debt first. These are the debts that cost you the most over time, so you're tackling them early, and that can save you money in the absolute long run. Step number 2, create a realistic budget. The term here, realistic. Realistic? You get it, folks? Realistic. A budget is the backbone of your debt reduction strategy. Look closely at your income and expenses. Identify areas to cut back and allocate those savings towards paying down your debt. Remember, even small changes can add up over a period of time. Here's a tip for federal employees. Make sure that your benefits like the thrift savings plan, contributions, or flexible spending accounts align with your financial goals. Your paycheck deductions should complement your debt reduction plan and not work against it. Step number 3, choose a debt reduction strategy. Now there's a couple out there. One's called the debt snowball and the other one is called the debt avalanche. Neither one sound like fun. But anyway, these methods are two proven strategies. With the debt snowball method, you pay off your smallest debt first, which gives you some quick wins and keeps you motivated. The debt avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the high interest debt first, saving you more in the long run. Choose the method that best fits your financial situation and your mindset. The key here is being committed. Step 4, explore debt consolidation options. If you have multiple high interest debts, consider consolidation. It might actually be a smart move. Combining all of your debts into a single loan with lower interest rate simplifies your payments and can make you and save you money. Federal credit unions often offer favorable terms for debt consolidation, so be sure to explore those options. One thing to remember, while debt consolidation can be beneficial, make sure you're not accumulating more debt in the process. The other thing to consider, if you're a homeowner, why would you take out a loan for debt consolidation and take out a second mortgage? You're converting you're taking out a debt that has absolutely no collateral in the form of a credit card debt and collateralizing it with your home. So you make a failure to pay and they take your home. Not a smart move, folks. Also, weigh the pros and the cons carefully before making any decisions. Step number 5, leverage your federal benefits. Federal employees have access to a unique benefits that can aid in debt reduction. For example, a TSP loan might be a better option than using high-interest credit cards. But remember, it's crucial to evaluate the long-term impact on your retirement savings before tapping into your TSP. Step number 6 seems obvious, but sometimes we have to put our pride under a pillow. Seek professional guidance. Debt reduction can be overwhelming, but you don't have to go it alone. That's where this is absolutely where the benefit coordinators can help. We specialize in helping federal employees maximize their benefits and their financial opportunities. Whether you need help optimizing a budget or understanding how your debt impacts your retirement plan, there are ways that we can help you through every step of the way. Step number 7, stay the course. You know, debt reduction is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Every step that you take brings you closer to financial freedom and a more successful retirement. One thing I want to share with you, we'll do that right after this. If you've enjoyed our videos, we would consider it a point of pride if you would click the like and the subscribe buttons. Clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We have also provided to you at no cost a free copy of our downloadable e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. It's chock full of all the information that you really never cared to know about. And if you desire, you can also purchase it from Amazon. And now, back to our video. Here's the thing that I shared. Debt. It's something easy to get into, but it's very difficult to get out of. You know, it's a lot more glamorous buying a new car, getting a large screen television set, buying a whole new outfit, and going shopping on the weekends. But it is a pain in the keister to get yourself out of debt. And it's certainly a struggle. It's like trying to lose weight. I could just take the topics here that we're discussing and exchange debt for weight loss. It's a lot easier to spend money than it is to reduce the debt. But if you don't do it, you will lead to financial ruin. Maybe that might be a good topic. If you have a security clearance, it might go to the loss of a security clearance, which may impact your employment. Stop and think, federal employees. In closing, remember, reducing personal debt isn't just about paying off bills. It's about creating a stable and successful financial future. So take control of your financial life today. Take care of your financial life today. And when in doubt, call us at the Benefit Coordinators. We're here to help ensure that your retirement years are as stress-free and rewarding as possible.